Welcome back to my corner of the internet, guys. I am the Lucid Dream, and today's video is going to be a compilation of some of my favorite sovereign citizen moments. First and foremost, though, thank you to all of my channel members and subscribers. If you are new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I would certainly appreciate it, and every single time you do, a frauditor cries. I promise. I also want to thank Aura, who was kind enough to sponsor today's video. It's an incredibly important time to be talking about this kind of stuff, guys, because hackers have stolen the social security numbers of pretty much everyone in the United States. Almost 3 billion records were stolen from the national public data, and that's a massive problem, because these records include your full name, your address, your date of birth, social security number, phone number, probably your shoe size. Having been the victim of identity theft myself, when I tell you how miserable it is to try and sort through the wreckage that's left after that, it isn't something I want you guys to have to go through. Even now, every year, I get an email from TurboTax that someone's trying to file taxes under my social security number, and it's incredibly frustrating because all I can do is protect myself for the future. I can't fix the past. That's why I started using Aura. Aura lets me know if they find my social security number, my email, or my phone number on the dark web. They let me know if anyone is trying to use that information to access my credit or my bank accounts, and they give me up to $5 million in identity theft protection should the worst case happen again. We know the kind of people that are out there, guys. We see it every single day. They have no respect for privacy, and they certainly have no respect for other people. So this is really a no-brainer for me. You can go to my link at aura.com/lucidslayer and try 14 days for free. That's enough time for Aura to find out if any of your personal information has been exposed from the current breach and give you peace of mind that your identity is safe. National Public Data has not come up with a direct method to check with them to see if you've been compromised, and honestly, at this point, I really don't think they're going to. Take it from me, I highly recommend go do this right now, because if you're one of those almost 3 billion people, you're going to want to know. Go to aura.com/lucidslayer and try those 2 weeks for free. Let's go ahead and get into it. This first one goes to 0 to 100 real quick.
Then this is a custodial stop. Am I free
detained.
to go?
This is not custodial. You're detained.
I'm being detained, right?
Yes.
Am I under arrest?
You are not at this moment.
Okay.
I see your driver's license.
Now
insurance.
you're saying that I am being detained.
You are being detained.
The laws only apply to vehicles that have. That's fine. Y'all are going.
I need to see your driver's license. Please.
Then we have another cop pulling up, and I'm sitting here asking
Sir,
them the same
what
thing.
is
I
your
need
name?
you to stand down and get your.
Open your window now, or I'm gonna bust it out.
Now you're going. Okay, I need you to call, and I need you to get your supervisor out here. I need your supervisor out here. I need your supervisor. I am asking him for his supervisor. I am asking you for your supervisor. Okay, officer, I am asking you for your supervisor to come out here. Now you have busted my vehicle up, and now you are going to detain me. You are illegally getting into my vehicle, and now you.
Hey, I'm too old for this. How you doing?
How's it going?
Hold on, let me get up there first. I'll talk to you. United States citizen, sir? Yes.
I'm gonna opt out.
Well, the thing is, before we can proceed with immigration inspection, if you are, that's fine. I don't really care if you're German or whatever. But are you legally in the United States?
I'm not answering questions.
Okay, then we have to go ahead and take you in. I know you're recording. We'll take you in, identify you, and then you can proceed.
So you're detaining me?
Yes, sir.
That under what probable cause?
On the probable cause, that 18 U.S.C. 111. Open the door.
I haven't done anything wrong.
Open the door.
I'm not breaking any laws.
Open the door.
Man.
I don't want to break the glass.
Don't do it, man. It's not even my truck.
I know. Well, then open the door.
Man, this is absurd. I can't
is.
believe you would do this. I've complied as much as I need to.
Stand back.
No.
Stand back.
Shit.
Do your seatbelt now. Get out. Get out. You're under arrest. Get out. Get out, sir. You're under arrest.
How dumb do you have to be to use what I can only assume is a work truck to do something like this? I mean, you want to do it in your own personal car, fine, that's a you problem, but I really can't see your employer taking too kindly to this. I can't imagine he kept his job after that. I really can't imagine that he kept his job after that.
No, he was traveling. No? Yep, I am recording all this, James. Don't worry, I've recorded right from the phone, right on. No, don't worry. Hi, sir. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I am a little disgruntled right now because we are being harassed.
Okay.
Yes. This gentleman pulled up behind me at the Casey store.
Okay.
We were not driving. We were traveling, and we weren't even driving. The ignition wasn't even.
Well, you were driving now. You just pulled you over.
I wasn't driving. I was traveling, and my boyfriend was traveling. He wasn't driving. Well, it does not matter, sir. In our Sixth Amendment constitutional right, as U.S. citizens, we have the right to travel in any vehicle or horse and buggy.
Tell me you don't know what the Sixth Amendment is without telling me you don't know what the Sixth Amendment is. This one is particularly sad for me for the very simple fact there's a child in the car. And they're going to pull this bullshit in front of a kid. Some people should not breed.
Now, it's Supreme Court decided that you do not need to have a driver's license if you are not transporting goods. We are not transporting goods. Either one of us have ever had a driver's license in any state.
The state of Illinois says you
Yes.
can have a driver's license, and so does every other state.
In what, the Sixth Amendment doesn't apply here to Illinois?
gotta have a
The
driver's
Sixth
license.
Amendment doesn't apply to Illinois.
Well,
The Sixth Amendment does not apply here in Illinois.
You can believe what you want. I'm recording it too. I got a body.
Good. That's good. That's great. I'm glad you do.
Yep. Just protects everybody.
Yep. So what are you going to do with my traveling boyfriend? I feel like we were harassed.
Okay.
He has no reason to be arrested at all because he was traveling, he was not driving, and as a U.S. citizen, that was lifted from Idaho.
This officer's handling it, so
That was lifted. We are being so harassed right now, and I'm going to complain. I'm going to complain.
That's your right. You're more than welcome
Yep.
to do that, man.
We have, as of this moment, there's private plates on this vehicle. Okay, which states that we are U.S. citizen, that this is not for hire, this vehicle is not for hire,
Are
which
the plates registered to this vehicle?
there is no plates on it now, sir. We have put private plates on them.
Oh, I got you.
And as U.S. citizens, we have the have the right. I'm still recording, James. I'm still got you, baby. I still got you. I know, honey. Don't worry about it. You do what you got to do. You stay calm. You be the bigger person here. They're just trying to pull rank. Like they're badass, and they're not. They're policy enforcers, and they are not doing their job because they are not enforcing the policy with us. It's all right, James. Get in, Xavier. Get in. Stay, baby. No, it's okay. You will have to release him anyway in no time because this has happened before, right, James? Don't be afraid. They didn't tell James he couldn't drive. He wasn't driving, he was traveling. And he told me, no, you can't do that because he was my rider. He was my passenger. No, he didn't. No, he told me. No, he told me, yeah, because that is a privilege. I have that too. We have all of that. Don't worry about it, James. You're okay. That order's been lifted too, and they know it, so don't worry about it, baby. I got you. They can't do this to us. They've done this in 14 other states, and Illinois is the only one that doesn't allow the Sixth Amendment. They don't follow the Sixth Amendment rules. It's okay, babe.
Where's the jail? Find out. Where am I going? How are you going to get there?
I'm gonna get there. Don't you worry.
Backpack, my birth certificate.
I got everything, baby. I got you.
Towing it all.
They can't tow my home.
They have to pay you for it.
Yes, they do. That is my home. They cannot tow my home. You cannot tow my home. Nope. Now they want to tow my home. They want to tow my home. This is my home. They can't tow my home. You guys cannot tow my home. I wouldn't get near me with this dog. You cannot tow my home, guys. Can't tow my home. I did nothing wrong. I was not driving. I was traveling. No, he was not. He was traveling. Sir,
You can call it whatever.
this is our Sixth Amendment right. No, you cannot do this to me.
No,
I know, honey. I know we were traveling. I know. Okay. This is all going to be worked out because this has happened.
If ever there was a living embodiment on why you need to stay in school. This next one gets pretty serious pretty quick. So let's get to it.
How you doing?
I'm good, officer. How are you?
Good. Need to see your license and insurance, please.
Can I get your name and badge number for the record,
It's
please?
Lieutenant Cochran with Powder Springs Police Department.
First name, Lieutenant?
Lieutenant Cochran.
What's your first name, Lieutenant?
It's irrelevant. I need to see your license and proof of insurance.
If your name is irrelevant, so is mine, officer.
Sir, I need to see your license and proof of insurance.
Are you conducting an
Yes,
investigation?
sir, I am. I have you for speeding, 72 and a 55.
Is
So I need to see your
is
driver's
speeding
license.
a crime?
Yes, it is. I need to see your license and proof of insurance, sir.
Can you prove that I'm driving?
Sir, I need to see your license and proof of insurance.
Am I driving?
Yes, sir.
No, I'm not. I'm traveling. I am going to continue to film. And it is not a crime for me to travel
I need
without
your
a
driver's
license.
license and proof of insurance, sir.
What you may have,
I'm giving you a lawful order.
What you may have,
Obey it, or I'm going to
what
take
you
to
may
jail.
have, what you may have is the opportunity to read. Whoa, whoa, whoa! This is assault. This is assault. You've broken my windows. I do not consent. I do not consent. Oh, this is police brutality.
I'm fixing
Stop.
to tase
This
you.
is police brutality.
I'm fixing
I
to
haven't
tase
done
you.
anything. Ah!
Do it again. I'm going to tase you again.
I come in peace.
I understand.
I have not
that.
committed any
I
crime.
smell marijuana coming from this vehicle. Okay.
This is another one. They've got a child in the car. And your priority as a parent has to be the emotional well-being of that child, not trying to pretend that you don't need a driver's license to drive.
I will not step out of this vehicle. You have not committed a crime. You have never seen a crime. Terry v.
I
Ohio.
have reason to believe that crime is afoot because I can smell marijuana coming from this vehicle. Do you understand that?
Do you comprehend Article?
I have a lawful reason to get you out of the vehicle.
You do not.
Yes, open up the vehicle.
No. I would like to see your supervisor. I want to see what kind of crime. Are you violating my space? Are you kidding? Help! 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 I do not consent! I do not consent! Help! Help! I do not consent! I do not consent!
We did not.
I do not consent! I do not
I'm not
consent!
asking you for your consent.
Yes, you have to have
Out
his
of the
consent.
vehicle.
We're
Are
not
you
giving the consent to
peaceful
search our
non-competitive?
car.
I am not a resident of the state of Indiana. I am not whatever you think I am. I am not a resident of the state of Indiana.
I'm going to search this vehicle.
We do not consent to any kind of search.
I didn't ask for your consent.
No.
I
You
don't
have to
ask
have
for
our
your consent.
consent.
No, you do not.
Yes, you do. And this
You do not smell marijuana. I don't smell any marijuana.
Oh, it reeked of
I smell
marijuana.
No, it doesn't.
I can
We don't smell any marijuana anywhere.
I smell marijuana coming from the vehicle. He's refusing to get out of the vehicle.
Right.
Okay, so
I don't consent to anything. I don't know what this guy's doing. No. No.
You're going to assault him?
Are you assaulting me? Are you assaulting me?
You're assaulting him. We deny
Help!
consent.
Help!
My
Help!
son.
Help! Call the police.
Call him.
Sure, we are the police.
No.
out.
Help me! Help me! What crime have I committed?
We didn't
What
commit
crime
any
did you see me
crime.
commit?
Give us the ticket
Terry
and the
v.
seatbelt.
Out of the
Ohio.
vehicle. You're going to get tased if you don't step
You're
out.
gonna get tased.
Step out of the
Step
vehicle.
out.
Tased.
What crime have I committed?
Step out.
What crime have I committed?
Step out.
What crime have I committed?
Step
What
out.
crime have I committed?
Stop it!
What crime have I committed?
God!
What crime? I have been assaulted with a tase gun.
No, please let him
You're trying to attack my nuts. That is not proper use of that device.
Stop it!
Have you been trained in proper use of a taser?
I know, baby.
Watch her, Bill.
I'm not going to do anything. I just want my child. You just please let me go. I just
No,
didn't have my
get
seatbelt
your child
on.
out. Just go ahead and get in your car.
Call the lawyer right now.
Which one?
Why do I have to get out the car?
I think this next one is probably one of my favorites. This guy's just fucking stupid.
Yeah, we just went through a breathalyzer. We refused to stop through a breathalyzer test. So, yeah. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Free man of the land. Got 2 cars in pursuit, close by. Hey, mate. No, mate. No, mate. Am I under arrest? Am I under arrest? Am I under arrest? Am I under arrest? Am I under arrest or am I free to go? Am I under arrest? Am I under arrest? I've been stopped on my way home. Am I under arrest? No, what? No. You, I do not consent. You've got no right. Whoa! This is thuggery. What the hell's going on? What the hell is going on? Open the door. Am I under arrest? Yes. Under arrest.
I absolutely love the officer in this next one. He certainly seems like he has a sense of humor about the situation.
Hey, gentlemen, how you doing today? Adrian Rodriguez, U.S. Customs Border Protection. How you doing, Adrian Rodriguez?
Doing, officer?
Is there a reason why you're not wearing your seatbelt, sir?
Well, I'm not doing any comments. I'm traveling, sir.
I'm sorry?
I'm traveling, sir.
You're traveling?
Yes.
No, but why is your seatbelt not on, I said? Your seatbelt. Tu cinturón de seguridad, ¿por qué no lo traes puesto?
Because I'm traveling. I'm not driving.
Because you're traveling?
Yeah, I'm not driving.
You're not drive?
I'm not driving.
You're not driving. So what is this called? That's
It's called traveling.
Traveling, not driving. Yes. Perfect. Awesome. Are you the registered owner of the vehicle?
Sir, I don't answer any questions, sir.
I'm sorry?
I don't answer any questions, sir.
You're not going to answer any questions? All right. Well,
sir, I'm on the private.
You're what?
I'm on the private, sir.
One more time, dude. It's really hard to hear you out here.
I am on the private.
You're on the private?
Yeah, I'm not doing any comments. I'm traveling.
Okay, you're on the private what?
Yeah, I'm on the private.
Okay, so let me explain to you. You're on the 5 freeway, okay?
Yes, I know.
You know this is federal land? Did you know this
Sir,
is federal land or not?
I'm from United States of America Republic, sir.
Okay, I get that.
Yeah, I got my paperwork right over there.
No, that's fine. But you know you still have to follow the rules, right? Or you don't?
Sir,
Do you know that you have to wear your seatbelt? Yes or no?
So that's for people that's driving. That's a privilege. I'm not
Okay,
driving.
well you are driving. Second of all, do you know that your vehicle's registration is suspended? Did you
Sir,
pay your tags or no?
Sir.
Yeah.
I'm not driving.
You're not driving?
Yes.
Okay, so this is not called driving. This is called traveling.
Yes.
Perfect. Do you have a driver license?
I don't need a driver license.
You don't need a driver license? All right.
I'm on the private, sir.
All right. What's your name?
Joshua.
How you doing, Joshua?
I told you, don't say nothing.
Do you have an ID on you, Joshua?
No, you don't. Don't say nothing, yo. Hey, what are you doing, bro? Hey, what are you doing?
Thank you very much, Joshua. You guys been drinking today?
No, sir.
No? All right. Do you guys have any marijuana in the car? Because I can smell it.
No.
No? So what I'm smelling is not marijuana?
Hey, listen, we don't answer any questions.
All right, perfect. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have you turn off your vehicle for now. Hey, can you get the spike strip real quick? Can you get the spikes? I'm going to call a canine real quick. I'm going to have a canine come on here and do a sniff of your car. If the canine alerts, that's probable cause for me to search the car.
I don't authorize, please. Can you stay out of my property, please?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yes.
So I'm going to call...
Okay, so listen. I'm going to put in back. I'm gonna let you know right now that you're violating my rights right now because you're impeding my traveling.
All right, that's fine.
I'm trying to let you know. I'm trying to advise you that I'm not driving, which is a privilege. I'm on the private.
You're on the private.
You understand? I copyright my name. I'm in the trust.
Okay.
You understand that? So if you're trying to use my name, I don't want to contract with you, and you're forcing me to contract with you. You know, you impeding my driving, you violating my rights right now.
You are being detained.
Yes,
so yes,
you violating my right to travel, sir.
That's fine.
And I can do traveling in whatever I want because I'm a free man.
Perfect.
I live in the United States of America, of a republic.
Perfect. But when you're driving,
I'm a national, sir.
Get it.
I'm a national.
Driving, doing illegal
and then
stuff,
you know you're doing things out of your power when you're like, I'm not under your jurisdiction at all.
You're under federal jurisdiction.
No,
Did you pass through my checkpoint?
Sir,
look, I'm not gonna argue with you.
You don't have a checkpoint.
Like
you're a public servant.
All right, listen.
What are you talking about?
Right.
I'm a national, sir.
Listen, okay, can you give me a second? So I'm going to tell you a couple of things. So I'm going to call a K9.
I'm trying to keep it civil.
That's perfectly fine.
Yeah.
You're detained right now.
This is a private automobile. You got no jurisdiction over here.
Well, we'll deal with that later.
Me, like you even need a warrant to even detain me.
Let me tell
what
you
is your suspicion? Why you detain me?
Let me tell you what's going to happen. So you have a spike strip
underneath.
Okay,
but sir, why did you detain me? What is the emergency?
I already told you.
Because my seatbelt?
1, your seatbelt. 2, your registration's expired.
Sir, this is a private automobile.
Okay.
This is private. This is not doing commerce. I don't have to do. This is my right to travel, sir.
Right. Well, I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do, okay?
You swear an oath to protect my constitutional rights.
Hey,
you violating my rights right now, sir.
Whenever you're done,
you violating my rights.
Whenever you're done, I'll let you know. But I'm telling you, there's spike strip. If you take off, you're going to have a flat tire. Hang tight. I'm going to call the K9.
Crazy.
We're going to run your car. If you don't want to talk to me, then I'm not going to talk to you. Just hang tight for the K9. Deal? Just when you guys are in here, keep your hands where I can see them.
What is your name and badge number?
Agent Rodriguez. I told you when I came in with the U.S. Border Patrol.
What is your badge number?
We don't have badge numbers here. You can see my badge. There's no numbers in there.
So what is the reason that you pulled me over again?
I already told you.
So
the 5 freeway is a well-known corridor for alien narcotic smuggling. Okay. The way you were driving,
you think we are illegals?
Are you gonna let me talk or not?
You think we are illegals?
I didn't say that.
Because the way we look?
I didn't say that. Did you hear what I said?
Yeah, I just hear you. That's why I'm asking.
Listen to me, please.
Yes.
Are you listening?
Yeah, you pull us over because?
No. The 5 freeway. It's a well-known corridor for alien smuggling, narcotic smuggling, weapon smuggling.
Okay. So we look like this type of people?
Okay. Did you not hear what I said?
Yes, that's why I'm asking you. Out of all these people who is traveling in this road, why you pull me over?
Because the way you're driving, you don't have your seatbelt on, and you don't have your registration. Okay, so when I run record checks on you, so when you guys pass us by the 5, you know where Las Pulgas is? Are you familiar with this area at all or no?
I just gonna know.
Okay, so let me tell you, when you pass Las Pulgas, we were on the side of the road. Did you see me on the side of the road or not?
Yes.
Okay, you slammed on your brakes when you passed me. Okay?
It's a free country. I can do whatever I want.
You're asking me a question. I'm answering your question. So are you going to answer your question or now we're done talking?
I don't understand. Okay.
Okay. You slam on your brakes. Both of your windows were down. I came up to you guys. Both of your windows were up. I'm not saying there's nothing wrong with that, but all this stuff that I'm seeing, it's weird to me. Okay. Then I pull up next to you. You're not talking. You're not looking at me. I'm trying to tell you about your seatbelt. You're not looking to me. You went all the way down to 60 miles per hour.
Yeah, pressing attention on the road. I don't want to look.
I get it. You went all the way down.
I've been looking at you. I've been looking at you the whole time. Okay. That's why I'm telling my partner to record you because I watch you do all these different turns and things without even putting a signal.
Yeah.
I see you like changing lanes and everything, being careless and going past me. So I don't even want to I'm in fear right now.
You're in fear?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay. Well,
yes. You're reckless driving. We got it on recorded.
Okay. Perfect.
Yes.
So the K9 is going to come here. You're going to run through your car. As long as the K9 doesn't alert, you're free to go.
I'm not authorizing. I'm not consenting to no searches and seizures and nothing.
We're not searching. We're not seizing anything. We're going to do a free air sniff of your vehicle.
You don't got no warrant to do this. You straight out of pull. No, you pull me over. You violating my rights right now, and you swear an oath to protect. You swear an oath to protect the Constitution. Yep. Those are my rights. Perfect. It's my right to travel, and you impeding that for no reason.
Right. Well,
because I'm not in. I don't have a contract with the DMV.
That's perfect.
I don't have a contract with the DMV, and you trying to contract with me right now.
Probably, but he's not going to answer, so we'll figure it out. All right, so we're going to call the K9. Like I said, I already advised you that you have a spike strip, so if you take off, you're going to have a flat tire. Okay, so I'm just telling you now.
Stay right here.
So you guys going to sit here while you're here. Please don't reach for anything or anything, because then we're going to think you're grabbing something weird, okay? So just hang tight. The K9 will be here. We'll run the car real quick, and we'll go from there, okay? Like I said, if the K9 does alert to your vehicle, we're going to have a probable cause to search your vehicle. You guys are coming out. We're going to search your vehicle.
As soon as I see a warrant, you can do whatever.
No warrants for K9. Ready? Hang tight for me for a second.
You're a fucking dumbass motherfucker, yo. You dumb. Once you say your name, you get in jurisdiction, bro. You dummy. You hired that fucking pipe, you fucking idiot. You didn't
I can't fucking hide the fucking pipe, bro.
Dude. Anyways, that's not illegal. That's totally illegal. You know what I mean? So.
You got fucking all kinds of fucking border protection fucking agents all over our ass. I can call the fucking lawyer, pero this is gonna be some fucking hard shit to get out of.
Keep recording. Just keep recording.
You better have somebody Boricua to fucking pick us up, because I'm not calling my dad.
I'm gonna go,
This is another pretty short one, but this officer is having none of it.
Evening, officer.
Good evening.
Before we continue, I'd just like to let you know that you are being recorded right now.
Okay, that's fine.
So I would just like to know why I'm being pulled over.
We're doing a roadside safety check.
Okay.
Okay.
Am I being detained?
What's that?
Am I being detained?
Well, right now we're just conducting our job, making sure
Okay.
that everyone's on the road driving safely.
Okay. Is that
Yes, you can. You are not free to leave right
so far? Everybody's being safe. Am I being detained then?
now. You're not free to leave.
Am I
Okay?
being detained?
We do have the legal right to stop you right now.
Oh, I
So
believe this is unconstitutional,
hold on, I'm
but
speaking. Now, like I said, I've asked you for your driver's license and proof of
you
insurance.
actually didn't
Now,
ask
please
me
give it
for
to me.
my driver's license, but I'm actually not obligated to provide that if I'm not being detained.
What? You are
Whoa,
obligated.
whoa, whoa,
You're
whoa.
obligated. Get out now.
Whoa.
Get out now. Driving's a privilege,
Sir.
not a right. I'm telling you to get out right now.
Excuse me, I'm not.
We asked for your
resisting at all.
license and insurance. Yes, you are resisting
I
at
can
this
provide.
point.
No, sir, I
Then
can
give us
provide
your
it.
license and insurance,
Absolutely.
like he was asked.
Absolutely, sir. This is my license here.
Okay, now get your insurance. That's
Okay.
required by law.
All right.
Driving's a privilege, not a right.
Absolutely, sir. I completely
We're not going to
agree.
sit here and debate with you.
Okay, well, this is very unconstitutional what you're doing.
No, you know what?
And-
This is not unconstitutional. I already explained it to you. Driving's a
Sir.
privilege and not a right.
Understood. This is my driver's
Good.
license, my
Thank
insurance
you.
card. You're welcome.
That's what you're required to do to drive in Illinois.
I
Do
would-
you know, understand that?
Absolutely.
Do you understand
I would
that?
also like to inform you that you are being recorded right now.
Good.
Okay. Can I please
You were
shut
asked.
my door?
No.
Since I'm not being detained.
No.
What am I being detained for exactly, sir? If I am
We
being
asked for your
detained.
driver's license and insurance card, which you're required to have when you drive in the state of Illinois.
Understood.
Correct?
Correct. That is correct.
That's
and
what
I
you
do.
were asked
And I
for.
do have that. Correct. I just
I don't
gave
know.
that to
I'm
you.
looking at it. You refused to
I
provide
did
it
not
originally,
refuse.
didn't you?
Absolutely not. I did not refuse anything.
Is this
I
your
said-
current address?
I asked. I would not like
Is
to
this
answer
your
any.
current
I'd like
address?
to remain silent, sir, unless I have an attorney present.
Is this your current address?
I would like to remain silent, sir. I would like to exercise my Fifth Amendment right.
Do you have a more current insurance card?
I would like to exercise my Fifth Amendment right. Everything there is completely valid and legal, and I'd like to exercise my Fifth Amendment right from here on out, unless I
I'm
have
sorry,
an
what
attorney.
was that?
I would like to exercise my Fifth Amendment right from here on out,
What
unless
does
I have
the
an
Fifth
attorney.
Amendment say?
That I have the right to remain silent.
Really?
Absolutely.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Thank you. Am I free to
Proceed
leave?
on. Yes, sir,
Thank you.
are.
You guys have a great night.
This next clip is a couple that gets pulled over for no license plate, and both learn a very hard lesson.
9013.
And 90, be advised, there's at least 2 occupants. Get the driver out. Hey driver, step on out for me. Step on out for me, okay?
Getting out on my own free volition.
All right, man, come on back. Just relax. Relax.
No,
Stop.
you're
Stop.
not-
Stop.
you're
Put
not
your hands behind your back.
You're
Put
not-
your hands behind your back right now. Put your hands behind your back.
You're not doing
Put your
it.
hands.
We are calling the police.
That's it.
I know.
That's it. Taser, taser, taser. Get down on the ground. Get down on the ground. Get down on the ground right now. Get down. Get down. Get down. Get down. Get down. Get down on the ground. Put your hands behind your back.
On your stomach.
You are doing this in
Stop. Stay in the car. Stay in the car. Stay in the car.
On your stomach now.
Get on your stomach. You're gonna get it again.
your stomach.
Get on your stomach. You're gonna get it again.
On your stomach.
I got it.
I'm trying, sweetheart. I am trying to find Roger Taylor's number.
Get back in the car right now. You're gonna be placed under arrest. Now, uncuff your or release your hands.
You did not read me my rights. You did not go over anything. You did. No, you asserting yourself and you violated my rights. All of them.
Very well.
All of them. Read the paperwork you're fucking standing on. Right now.
Ma'am, get back in the car right now. Have a
am in
seat.
my car.
Have a seat in your car. I'm gonna place you under arrest. Have a seat in your car.
I am in my
Sit
car.
back in the car. Sit back in the car, ma'am. Ma'am, have a seat in your car. Ma'am, Have a seat in your vehicle. Right here. Right over here. Sit in the right here in the passenger seat, or I'm going to place you under arrest. This is the last time I'm telling you. This is the last time. Stay right here. If you move from here again, you're going to be stopped. You're going to be placed under arrest. Do you understand? Yes or no? Do you understand? If you move from this seat, you're going to go to...
I do not stand under you.
Sir, you need to read all that paperwork right there. No, stand the fuck up. You need to read that paperwork.
All right.
You are ignoring and you are violating my rights. All of them. I'm going to make this right camera right here.
Well, the camera's right here.
These officers are violating my rights. They have tased me. On top of that, they've done it in front of my family. They are now searching me. I gave them all my information when they tried to take me out of the vehicle. You ripped the taser shit on.
Well, dude, calm down.
Seriously,
stop, dude.
I didn't do shit. He went after me.
Wait, resisting.
I got out of the car and tried to hand him paperwork.
Yeah, you don't get to do that.
And he grabbed my arm.
You don't get to do that.
Why don't I get to do that? That's my free right.
Give me a
I was
set of
trying
cuffs.
to identify myself.
Give me a set of cuffs.
Now you violated my right.
Give me a set of cuffs. He's going to.
All in front of my kids.
Come on.
I'm on, no, I am on the phone
Come on.
with you.
You're under arrest as well. We're sick of you. Come on.
Yeah, kneel on my chest. That's right.
Told you to stay in the seat. Yo.
So I cut the next part out primarily because it heavily involves the children that are in the back seat, and I'm just not going to show them on my channel. Now, the woman jumps in the back seat between her two children and essentially uses her daughter as a shield to avoid getting arrested. It is one of the most selfish, self-centered things I have ever seen from anyone who calls themselves a parent. It is truly revolting what this woman does. Now, that being said, I also think the officer overreacted to this. I do think there was a better way to go about it because he tries to pull her out with the child still sitting there, and I think that was the wrong call. Is it the woman's fault because she got in the back seat? Yeah, absolutely. But I feel like that was common sense for the officer that they really should have removed the children from the situation before trying to arrest her, because let's be honest, she wasn't going anywhere. It's not like she was going to get out of the car with 4 officers surrounding it.
Okay.
Right now! You've assaulted my wife! Let me out right now!
You're both under arrest.
You! You've assaulted my wife!
Do you want to wait for Moscow to get on scene?
Paper, you dumbass!
They're clear. We have 2 adults in custody. Copy times 2 in custody. Medics are clear to proceed.
Read the paperwork! You dumb motherfuckers! Read the paperwork! Read the paperwork! Read the paperwork, you dumb motherfuckers! I'm in the middle of suing you dumbasses! This is conflict of interest! Read the court papers! Read the court papers! Ah! You! Jesus! Fucking toe! I'm gonna have your asses for this! You gonna read the report yet?
Nope. Okay.
And to wrap it up for us today, we are going to take a look at a sovereign citizen who truly embodies the words meth around and find out.
Hey, are these people free to go?
Go ahead.
What's that?
Are they free to go?
This gentleman is not. I'm currently on a traffic.
Do you have a warrant to seize this man?
Okay, sir, I'm on a traffic.
Do you have a warrant to seize this man?
Are you pushing on the? Are you
Okay,
pushing
sir.
on the brakes?
Do you have a warrant?
No.
You can step away. I'm on a traffic
At
stop.
this point, you're creating a disturbance here in front of my house. I'm actually going to have to ask you to leave.
No, I'm not leaving.
Do you have a warrant to seize this man?
At this point, you are interfering with my traffic
Do
stop.
you have a warrant?
If you don't step off, you're going to go
Get
to
your
jail.
supervisor here. Hey, what's your supervisor's name?
Okay, sir, this does not involve you.
I'm asking for your supervisor. You're creating a disturbance in my neighborhood. I'm actually asking you to leave. If you don't have a warrant to seize this man, I'm going to have to ask you to leave. Do you have a warrant to seize this man? Do not ask for his documents. He's secure under the Fourth Amendment. He's secure in his papers. I'm going to ask you for a warrant. Do you have a warrant to seize this man?
Sir, I need...
Do you have a warrant?
Okay, sir, you can stop.
Did you ask for your supervisor to show up?
No, you don't.
I need your supervisor here. You've seized someone illegally without a warrant. That's a Fourth Amendment violation.
You can stand over there.
I am standing here, and I'm asking for your supervisor.
You're not involved.
You're creating a disturbance in my neighborhood, so I am involved.
I actually feel sorry for the people in the car in this instance, not because it's a traffic stop, they're going to be on their way here very shortly, but because they have to sit and listen to him. The lack of self-awareness that this man possesses, that he doesn't realize how embarrassing he actually is just mind-blowing.
He's secure in his documents, sir, unless you have a warrant to seize them. Do you have a warrant to seize this man's documents? You have a Fifth Amendment right not to provide information that will be used against you. I need your supervisor here. You've seized a man without a warrant. It's a crime. Officer.
Yes.
I believe this man seized this person on the side of the road without a warrant.
Okay.
I need a supervisor here. I believe that's a Fourth Amendment violation, isn't it?
I doubt it, but...
Well, doesn't he need a warrant unless, otherwise this man's secure. Can you get a supervisor for me, sir?
You're not going to provide me because you're not involved in this traffic stuff.
Hey, actually, this man's creating a disturbance in my neighborhood.
Okay.
I've actually asked him to leave already.
Who?
This officer.
It doesn't work that way.
Well, he's creating a disturbance. He doesn't have a warrant to seize this man. Do you understand the Constitution, the Fourth Amendment?
Obviously you don't.
The Fourth Amendment? Where this man's secure, unless you have a warrant to seize him, based on an injured complainant's sworn statement of damages. Could I just get a supervisor? Maybe somebody that would understand what I'm saying? Officer. Officer. I'd just like to get a supervisor. Can we do that?
Hold on, I'm gonna deal with this, and then I'll come and talk.
Well, I think this is all illegal. I'm pretty sure this is all illegal, what's going on here. This is an unlawful seizure. I'm pretty sure it's illegal, isn't it? Officer, aren't you a sworn officer to our laws, like the Fourth Amendment and this man's right to be secure, unless you have a warrant to seize him? The warrant needs to be based on an injured complainant's sworn statement of damages. You don't have that, do you? He's securing his information, sir. It's his person's house's papers and effects. No, he has a Fifth Amendment right to not provide any information that will be used against him. Officer, I'm just trying to get some Maybe a supervisor?
Nope, I just wanted to chat with you.
Yeah, I'll step over here and talk to you.
What can I help you
I
out
just
with?
feel like this man's creating a disturbance in my neighborhood.
Okay.
Because he
officer
sees
or the gentleman in the car.
Yeah,
I
this
just showed up,
officer.
so I don't
This
know.
officer over here.
Okay.
I feel like he sees this man without a warrant.
Okay.
Because he's securing his person's house with papers
Did you see him stop him or something? Because I just showed up.
This is my house. Yeah,
Okay.
he's creating a disturbance in my neighborhood.
Okay.
He actually sounds like he's about to cry. So they let him rant and they let him rave, and then they go about their business. The police in this town seem to be well familiar with him, and they seem to have just come to the conclusion they're going to ignore him and hope that maybe one day he will go away. I would say as long as he's living in mom's basement, he's probably not going to go away. But at least it's entertainment. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you would like to see, and I will catch you on the next one.